Hello, welcome to Fun Online Maths. Today we'll be looking at this question. Work out 3 whole number 1 over 2 times 1 whole number 3 over 5. Now this is a mixed fraction. This is also a mixed fraction. So our first step will be to convert these mixed fractions to improper fractions. To do that, we have 3 whole number 1 over 2 times 1 whole number 3 over 5. To convert this to an improper fraction, multiply 3 by 2. So 2 times 3 is 6, and then add that 6 to 1. So we have 2 times 3 plus 1. 2 times 3 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, so now our numerator is now 7 over our denominator remains 2. All right, now times, we'll also convert this to an improper fraction. Multiply 1 with 5, that is 5 times 1, then add 3. 5 times 1 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8. So we have a new numerator, which is 8 over 5. Now, to make our work easy, we'll multiply both numerators and denominators separately. Now 7 times 8, this is equal to 7 times 8 over 2 times 5. All right, and 7 times 8 is 56. 2 times 5 is 10. That's not our final answer, since we can divide both the numerator and the denominator by a single number. Okay, we can divide both of them by 2, it's common. So if you divide 10 by 2, you have 5. If you divide 56 by 2, we will have 28. So we are having our answer as 28 over 5. Now look at the board, or look at this question. You will discover 5 is smaller than 28. So we want to convert this back to our initial state, which is mixed fraction. So to convert this to a mixed fraction, we're going to count how many times 28 will divide 5. Okay, without a remainder. 28 divided by 5, that is 25 divided by 5. We'll be having 5 times. And when you take 25 away from 28, we are left with 3. So write 3 over the denominator, which is 5. So this is how we work out questions of this nature. Till we meet again, this is Fun Maths. Do well to like and share. Also subscribe to this YouTube channel. Bye bye.